Hello, dears. How are you all doing? I'm back here with another chicken recipe, which is also a Kerala special dish. To make this delicious chicken roast, the masala powder is prepared by dry roasting 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 5 to 6 whole chilies, whole garam masala such as fennel seeds, cloves, elaichi, cinnamon, jeera seeds, and peppercorns. Once cooled, all these ingredients are powdered. 1 kg chicken is cleaned well and to it goes around 15 sliced shallots, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic chopped, a handful of small fresh coconut slices, 3 tablespoons of the masala powder prepared previously, salt as per taste and a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. The chicken is kept to rest for a minimum of half an hour in this marinade. After the resting time, 1.5 medium-sized onions are sautéed, followed by the adding of the marinated chicken and it's covered and cooked. Once in a while it is checked for the consistency of the dish and cooked until it's done. The dish has to be in a dry consistency as it is a chicken roast. Here goes the yummy chicken dish, which is great side dish for rice, roti, appam, chapati, etc. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. I will meet you soon in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.